So once you have your pile of half square triangle blocks, you need to trim them down to the size that you want. So I'm actually going to flip this around so that I can see the seam line that I sewed really well. Set this pile aside and show you how to start trimming them. The best tool I've found is the slotted trimmer from New Leaf Stitches. They came up with this, Carrie did, and she's a genius. This makes half square triangle trimming so much easier. They come in 2 sizes, in the small pair, and then there is a large one that is sold on its own. These go up to, let's see, 6.5 inch blocks. So let's pick our, I want 4.5 inch blocks. So let's look at this. Let's see here. We're gonna line up the seam line that I sewed with this line here, the sewn line, or the dotted line. And you can see that my seams aren't perfect, but that's okay. And we'll trim along each side, and then we'll trim the dog ears. And that's this dog ear and that dog ear. That's where the slots come in. So that when you're done, you have these parts and these parts that come right off. That are supposed to come right off. How about that? I need a new blade. Then when you open it up, it's ready to go. You just press it. I always press my half square triangle blocks with the seam open because I think that just makes it flatter.